from the mighty foothills of Dholadar Hills. A very warm and hearty welcome to all my viewers. Well, friends and viewers, today I'm going to show you my trekking or my walking route here in the hills. All right, just to give you a feel, this is our cottage where we are staying. You can have a look around. This is of course some old hotel. This used to be a beautiful hotel once upon a time. And all the cricketers, whenever the matches took place in Dharamshala, they used to stay here. But due to some family dispute, it has been abandoned. It has been now left like this. Anyone wants to buy it, let me know. Warna मैं तो खरीद ही लूँगा. Okay. So, that side far off, जहाँ से वो धुआं उठ रहा है, that side is Dharamshala. And now I carry on like this. It's a beautiful, lovely morning. Today the sun is also quite bright, as you can see. There is a, मैं क्या बताऊँ, you got to feel it. You got to breathe it, then only you'll understand. There is an absolutely rejuvenating effect in the oxygen here in the air. कोई pollution नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं, एकदम शांति. गांव के छोटे छोटे घर. ओके, ये थोड़ा मुश्किल है, मुझे ध्यान से उतरना पड़ेगा. 1 minute, 1 sec. One has to be very careful in the hills. और मेरी एज पे तो अगर फिसल फुसल गए, ओहो, फिर तो मज़ा आ जाएगा ज़िंदगी का. Okay, now I want to show you a very good thing. This is the gate of our cottage, from where you enter the property. That side you can see is the cottage. और ये एक बहुत अच्छा एक रिवुलेट होता था, अब तो लोगों ने इसको गंदा कर दिया, पता नहीं क्या. लेट मी सी. हाँ, अभी भी थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी इसमें चल रहा है. Water is still flowing, Now this gate will make a lot of noise. Don't worry for that. Because ये काम जो है ना, ओहो, खुल जा भैया. 1 sec. What happened there? Yeah, there it goes, बड़ा दम लगता है यहाँ हर चीज में. And now खटाक से, it opens this side, and खटाक से it closes. Here everything is खटाक only, So now this is the uphill route, as you can see. जय गाय माता की जय हो. यहाँ हर गांव में, हर घर में, हर जगह लोगों ने गायें, बकरियां, अपने जानवर. ये भी एक बड़ा मज़ेदार रास्ता है. ये मैं आपको एक दिन दिखाऊंगा. This is a small pagdandi which goes, towards the hills. Lovely banana tree. Okay, चलिए. Now let's climb up. All right. Here we go. It's a lovely climb. Here there is never a dull moment. Something or the other is always there to fascinate you, to attract you, and to mesmerize you. Okay. See, what I want to show you now is, you can see the path, Hills mein, the best thing is, if you can get a place where you can park the vehicle just next to your residence. Well, in our case, it is not so, as I showed you. Now, we have to park the vehicle here. Like you can see, this is our vehicle parked here. All right. Some other people have also done. Some motorcycles, some car. क्योंकि यहाँ पे जगह की कमी है. फ्लैट लैंड इज वेरी. अब वहाँ से गाड़ी से उतर के वी गो लाइक दिस. चलिए. सो फ्लैट लैंड्स आर वेरी वेरी रेयर टू फाइंड. और जो रिटेंशन वॉल बनाते हैं, ये देखिए कैसे कितना पुराना सा घर है. जो रिटेंशन वॉल बनाते हैं उसको बनाने में, सी अ ब्यूटीफुल हाउस, वो ऊपर घर है. रिटेंशन वॉल बनाने में बड़ी एफर्ट लगती है, बड़ा पैसा लगता है. एंड हियर लेबर इज ऑल्सो अ बिग इशू. यू नो, 1-2 दिन आते हैं, 2 दिन गायब हो जाते हैं. फिर कभी बारिश हो जाती है, कभी you know they get busy, kabhi you get busy. So everything goes at a very very easy and a leisurely pace. See, that side also people. How lucky are these people yaar? How lucky are these people? हम लोग कर क्या रहे हैं प्लेन्स में, मुझे तो समझ नहीं आता. मैंने तो I have more or less क्या, I have 99.9% decided that I am definitely going to buy my second home in the hill somewhere very soon. You know, this cottage where we are staying is our family cottage, you know. It is actually owned by my wife's brother, jointly owned. You see, he's got, you know, 1 or 2 other people also in that. Anyway, to cut the long story short, मैं भी अपना कुछ यहाँ पे खरीदने की प्लान कर रहा हूँ. See how quiet it is. चुपचाप, एकदम चुपचाप. No noise, no nothing. Today is a working day, Tuesday morning. In big cities, in metros, इस टाइम तक एक मैड रश, मैडनिंग रश शुरू हो चुका होगा. भाग दौड़, किसी को गाड़ी में जाना है, किसी को मेट्रो में जाना है, किसी को कैसे जाना है. आहा, look at him. But here it is absolutely peaceful, absolutely quiet. यहाँ भी ऐसा नहीं है कि लोग जीते नहीं हैं. वो प्लेन्स के लोगों से ज़्यादा बेटर लाइफ जीते हैं. They also enjoy life, they live life, they earn money, they work, they do everything. But वो एक जो है ना पैनिक, टेंशन, स्ट्रेस जो प्लेन्स में रहता है, that is not there. You can hear the bird chirping of some birds also. You know, ये बड़ा डीप स्लोप है, इसलिए मैं धीरे धीरे उतरता हूँ. उतरना तो इज फन, इसको चढ़ने में ऊपर, ओ हो. That's a wonderful effort, you know. That's a great effort. In fact, 2 trips down, up and down, are good enough. Just like, you know, around 5 to 6 kilometers of walking in the plains. ये भी एक जंगल में कहीं गुजरता हुआ रास्ता है. जाऊंगा मैं मुझे किसी चीज़ से डर नहीं लगता, सिर्फ 2 चीज़ों से. एक तो यहाँ पे वो डॉग्स बहुत है, गद्दी डॉग्स, यू नो. और दूसरा, somebody told me कि यहाँ जंगल में वो एक बिच्छू बूटी होती है, जो लड़ जाए तो बस लड़ी जाती है. So I generally, you know, choose clear roads like this. And see, I told you how uphill it is. और अभी और नीचे जाना है. अभी तो इश्क के इम्तिहान और भी हैं, सितारों से आगे जहां और भी. Beautiful sun, beautiful. So what I was saying was कि यहाँ भी लोग रहते हैं, सब कुछ होता है. But I don't know why. Maybe by some compulsion, or maybe because of the jobs, or I don't know. Yes, people have their valid reasons. अब सारे प्लेन्स को छोड़ छाड़ के अगर हिल्स में आ जाएं तो हिल्स की भी प्लेन्स वाली हालत हो जाएगी. All I am saying is, if you have an option, if you have that stage comes in your life when you have to choose hills, choose, a smaller place. Ah ha ha. Now you can have a look at the Dholathar mountains, Lovely. अभी तो मुसाफिर को चलना है, वहाँ कौन है तेरा मुसाफिर, जाएगा कहाँ, दम ले ले घड़ी भर, ये छैया पाएगा कहाँ। अरे घड़ी भर क्या, मुझे तो आप परमिशन दो तो ये जो छोटा सा प्लॉट है ना, ये मुझे दे दीजिए। मैं हिमाचल प्रदेश के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी से अपील करता हूँ कि ये छोटा सा प्लॉट मुझे दे दीजिए। यहाँ पे आई विल मेक माई ओन ब्लडी हट, माई ओन लिटिल हेवन, एंड हैव अ गुड टाइम एंड लिव हियर ओनली। मेरे को क्या करना है प्लेन्स में जाके, बहुत हो गया, बहुत कर लिया। ऑल राइट, we still go down. Don't worry, another 2 minutes, then I'll say you bye-bye so that the video doesn't become long. But I want to, this is what I wanted to show you. Now that side, far off, can you see? That is Dharamshala. As I told you earlier, we are around 12-13 kilometers away from Dharamshala. ये एक स्टर्लिंग ग्रुप वालों का नया एक होटल बना है. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल प्रॉपर्टी. वन डे आई एम गोइंग टू गो हियर आल्सो and maybe have nothing else but at least a hot bowl of soup. And my favorite is almond soup, I love almond soup with little bit of, black pepper, thoda sa usme kuch dal dool ke masala musula. So this is the place I am going to go, okay? And now we finally reach the road, I'll explain to you how this road works, okay? Now this is going towards a place called Khaniara. And this side is going towards Dharamshala. So today I'm going to choose this side, I in fact every day keep on wearing my trekking or walking routine and go to different places. Okay, another beautiful property, Whispering Winds Resorts. Well friends, it's been lovely connecting with you all, and I wish you all the very best in life. देखिए यहाँ से पानी की आवाज़ आनी शुरू हो गई. I wish you all a wonderful day, a wonderful life. Bye-bye, cheerio, see you again, sayonara, zaijian as they say in Chinese. And I am off to my walking routine now. Have a wonderful day. Good luck to all of you. Bye-bye.